How to make other people happy with you, not only happy, but even make them think like you. Agree with you, even they are obedient and willing to die for you. Want to know how?
Bagaimana sih caranya?
Hi. Greet me, I will say all how about anything that is interesting and useful. What is this viral tips channel? This channel will discuss how to do anything, whether it's a family, business problem, tips and tricks, tutorials, something that is viral and many others. Even in the future we will try to make this video in accordance with orders, or requests from all friends. Example, someone wants to learn how to advertise. Or someone asks how to conquer a dream partner, how to take care of licensing. Or others, we will try to make this channel not just fun to watch, but also useful for all. For that please ring subscribe bell, like and comment so that we are more excited to share. Okay, back to the core. According to the info at the beginning, for this opening we will break down how the heck to make other people happy and like you too. Listen and obey you. Have you ever seen hearing, or you put yourself in danger be obeyed by anyone's words, that, act as whoever you are a person who is highly respected, heard and obeyed, whatever you say, whether you act as husband and wife, a member of the community, leadership where you work. Even when you are a subordinate, you are respected by the leadership you or other roles in your life. Maybe you have seen your friend. Your friend, he easily runs his employees' business. And to his job all obey him, even as if they are fighting for the company of your friend. Works hard without needing to be scolded. Or even threatened by them, work voluntarily. While your daily life is filled with problems with the performance of your company. Or maybe you are a housewife. Your daily life is filled with annoyance about your children's behavior, they seem to always have material to upset you, while you see your other siblings, their daily lives are filled with peace, the calmness of their children is very obedient to their parents, every time they are told to do it without any argument. Even they already have the awareness to do something that is necessary, without having to be ordered. Or you have heard of great figures in history such as Bung Karno, who can make people silent when he has a condition in speech. Like other figures long before Muhammad al-Fatih. How could he raise the spirit of the troops, who were getting tired and desperate, which at that time was only a little out of proportion to the enemy he was going to face, but Muhammad al-Fatih managed to burn their spirits too. Convince them until they were willing to die for the struggle. What these people do is what they know, and master so that they can be like that. That's what will unravel the secret of persuasion, how to make other people happy with you, not only happy even. Make them think like you, agree with you, even they obey with you, and are willing to die for you. Why making other people here is important in this life? Because otherwise whatever your role is, if you are a parent, you will be a failed parent. If you become a leader of a company, organization, or whatever you lead will fall apart, even in the end it is destroyed. Even if you are an island you will become a failed sailor, if you are not heard of, as well as if you become a member of the community. So a friend becomes a friend, you will only be bully and jokes for your relatives and friends, it can even have other fatal consequences. So that's why the material is, how to make other people hear and obeying you is very important. Or another benefit is that you can be a more understanding person, and with that you will be a smarter person. When other people use these methods, you are less likely to obey, or be influenced by words, and whatever happens to what they do. Then how do I make other people do what we want can be realized? We will continue in full in the next videos. Because the discussion is very long and complex, it will likely be broken into many videos. Pray for us given health so that you can discuss one by one completely until it's finished. So you can still see the updates. Please press the bell, subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video on your social media. So you become another good person who is thrilling and supports the useful channel. Okay, I thank you. See you in the next video. Secret persuasion, how to make other people happy with you. Not only happy but even make them think like you, and agree with you. Even they are obedient and willing to die for you.
Bagaimana sih caranya?
Ciao.